Prostar Clevo P950RF 15.6 thin gaming laptop. Reviewed deal discount unboxing setup. Build quality is amazing. It is both incredibly sturdy as well as very functional. The screen has zero backlight bleed despite how thin it is. The laptop is very easy to open and upgrade. It runs extremely cool in comparison to just about any other thin and light laptop out there, and is much quieter than my MSI GS65. Gaming is a dream on here. The screen is beautiful and the keyboard feels fantastic. My only concern is that the power button is slightly tilted somehow. But that's not really a problem. One thing I wish was different is for the keyboard to have perky RGB customization, but other than that, this laptop is probably my favorite laptop to have ever owned. This is a slim laptop and it gets hot. Undervolting CPU helped slightly, but CPU temp will on occasion hit 93. Normally it's around 75-80. Graphics will not get above 70 in EVE Online or Overwatch. I have yet to play games using the screen on the laptop. I have a HP Omen 25 hooked up via DisplayPort Mimi, and never see below 144 FPS. Fans? Yeah, they're loud. I ended up getting a laptop cooler as well. Cons. Keyboard, not a big fan of it at all. You can change the colors etc. Not a big deal to me though. 150W power brick. System power draw nears 150W at times. According to Winfo64, my max has been 148.947 watts. Wonder if a 180W is a more viable option. Functions as intended. A bit hot, but that's what I expect from an overkill graphics card. Runs the Oculus Rift pretty smoothly. I think I had to disable a part of the pre-installed touchpad drivers in Rigid to keep my system from blue screening so often, however. For the price, I'm more than willing to accept it as a flaw. This laptop has been incredible. I've had it about 2 weeks and I've been playing all my games at the highest settings with no problem. Average 70 FPS on the most demanding games. The GPU and CPU never got above 80. However, after an hour or two of playing on my lap, my legs started burning. It only has about 2 hours of battery life, but what can you expect from something this powerful? It is well built and looks amazing. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.